Hello everyone, I am Mickey Chong. Today I am here to discuss about the publish subscript pattern. First, we talk about the introduction. Publish subscript pattern is a message pattern. The sender of the message are called publishers. The receiver of the message are called subscribers. In this pattern, the publisher do not send the message directly to the destination receivers. The publishers only know the message will send to all the users who was subscribed, but without knowledge of those subscribers. Because in this pattern, only got two classes, which is publisher who send the message. Another class is subscriber who receive the message. In this pattern, the subscriber will automatically receive the message if the subscribers subscribe the publisher. In publish subscript pattern, those components interact will announce message, notification, or events. Components may subscribe to a set of events. Publisher components place events on the bus by announcing them, and the connector then deliver those events to the subscriber components that have registered an interest in those events. Next, we will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this pattern. One of the strengths of publish subscript pattern is scalability. Publish subscript provide opportunity than traditional client server better scalability through parallel operation. The message buffer, tree-based or network-based routing. However, in certain types of tightly coupled high-capacity enterprise environments, as the system expanded into the shared data center has thousands of servers, public subscript infrastructure, current provided systems often lose the benefit. Scalable high loads in these environments. Publish subscript products is a challenge study. The other strengths of public subscript pattern is leasy coupled relationship between publishers and subscribers. Publishers are leasy coupled to the subscriber and need not even know their exist. As the topic is the focus of attention, publisher and user are allowed to remain in ignorance of the system topology. Everyone can continue to consider other normal operation in the traditional tightly coupled client-server mode. The client can not post message to the server, and the server process is not running. It cannot unless the server is running the client to receive mail. Many publish subscript systems decouple decoupling the publisher and the user is not only the location, but also the decoupling time. And this such middleware publish subscript system of a common strategy is to tag a publisher, allowing users to work through the backlog. Now we will talk about the weakness of this pattern. With weakness of this pattern is inflexible semantic coupling. Published structural data must be well defined and quickly become quite inflexible. To modify published data structure, which will be necessary to know all the subscribers and modify them too, or remain compatible with older version. This makes it much more difficult to code refactoring publisher because the requirements change over time. The flexibility of the data structure is not a burden on the programmer. However, this is a common proponent for any client-server architecture, preferable by version payload content or themes, and changing URL endpoint with compatibility service. Now we will talk about the example. Redis is an open source in-memory data structure store used as database cache and message broker. For example, to subscribe to the channel 4 and bar, client can use the channel name as a parameter to call subscribe command Redis subscribe full bar. When the client sends a message to the channel when Redis incoming message will be pushed to all subscribing clients inside these channels. Clients are subscription channels should not send other commands except the subscribe and unsubscribe, wherein subscribe more channel can be used to subscribe and you can unsubscribe used for one or more channels you have subscribed to unsubscribe. Result of the subscribe and unsubscribe will return in the form of information. Clients can first element of the information received through the analysis in order to determine the contents of the received message is a real or a result of the operation subscribe or unsubscribe commands. Next, we talk about another example, which is Weibo is Weibo is a Chinese micro blogging website. It is similar to a hybrid of Twitter and Facebook. It is one of the most popular sites in China, in use by well over 30% of internet users, with a market penetration similar to the US Twitter. It was launched by Sina Corporation on 14 August 2000, 2009. The users of Sina Weibo can subscribe or follow the news channel or other users of Sina Weibo to get the notification when the publisher have new post or news. Last, we will talk about the Vedix. Publish subscribe model is very useful. This is because nowadays people do not have so many times to filter the information and also keep pay attention on those social network. But by using this model, user can get the information immediately from the publisher. For example, like Sinan Weibo, the followers no need keep running or refresh the application or website. The followers will get the notification when the publishers updated the post or posted a new post. And this the reference I have using. Thank you for listening.